Welcome to the channel. My name is Mark Moslin, and today I have something that I purchased from Five Below. This is the makeup brush washing machine. A fun way to clean your makeup brush. Here it is. Okay? Let's see. A fun way to clean your makeup brushes. Step 1. Fill with water and add cleanser. Dunk the brushes or the sponge. Push to start spinning. And step 4, drain the water with hose until water is clear. So let's open it. Okay, let's open it. This is my first time. As you know, I don't really like to read the instruction, but hey, this is cool. This looks like a kid's washing machine. Here it is. It's so cute. So now we're gonna try to see. Now I need to get to put the batteries in. I need to find something. Hold on. And see if I found a little screwdriver. Okay. That's my. I didn't know it was like this. So let's take this out. Okay. And then you put 2 AAA battery. Okay. Let's make sure it's going in the right direction. Okay. Alright. Oh. Alright. We want to do the right thing. Follow the instruction. Alright? We're going to put this back. Forgive me, my nose is running. We had so much good weather this week, and then it all of a sudden it changed. It changes. So now, this is the washing machine. I guess this is the draining hose. It's like very, very childish, okay? It's very childish. It's actually working. Remember, guys, I always bring you guys the little washing machine. This is very, if you're teaching your kids about washing machines, then this is good for them, okay? So we'll put some water. I got water here. Put water. Now put a little cleanser. This cleanser is from this cleanser is from a couple of puffs of the cleanser. It's from Five Below. Okay, I got the water in. I got the water in, I got the thing in, get the cleanser. So let's put the brush. Now we close it and we do this. Okay, so this right here is not enough water. Let's put a little bit more water because this sponge swallowed up the water. Put more water. And you can see it's turning. Okay? Let me tell you something. If you go in mine, it keeps drinking up the water. They didn't tell me to put a lot of water. Okay, so this right here is not a great buy. It's not a great buy unless my battery is not, okay? Unless my battery is not. I put the sponge in. This sponge is probably too big. sponge here. Okay, this is not a great buy. The sponge is doing its thing. As you can see, the machine is moving. It's just that it's not really a great buy. Okay, now let's do brush. Let's do brush. We put the sponge there and let's do the brush. Okay, all I can say to you, this is not worth my $5. It works, I'll show you. It's working, it's spinning, but it's a childish little washing machine. And besides, it's leaking. It's leaking, and it's a cute little machine. Let's see if this drains. If it drains. But it's not a great buy. You stop it. So this is a cool little gadget. It's probably something you can let your kid play with it. That's all I'm saying about it. That's all I'm saying about it. It's quite cute. Now I gotta clean up all this. Is this something I would buy again? No. Okay? So this little machine, and also the portable machine for the clothes that I have there. Both of them. I'm gonna keep this just to keep it as a little collection. Nothing that I think it's not something that's very good, okay? It's not. It's just a lot of, somebody came up with it, and it's not something that I really think it's good. So thank you so much for watching. I would tell you it's a little waste of money. Okay, it's a little waste of money. Okay, I'm sorry. That's my honest opinion on this little portable, not portable, the little makeup brush washing machine. Okay, it's supposed to be a fun way to clean, but it's just not good. Alright, so I'll see you on the next product review. Thank you for watching.